Hey guys, thanks for joining me today on my nature trail. What an amazing, beautiful day, and we're totally surrounded by Douglas fir trees. And I think I'm just coming across my first trail marker here, so let's check it out. Let's see, it says, "Hi, I'm Pointy, a cone from the Douglas fir tree. My tree grows in Western North America, and squirrels, birds, and other animals like to make nests high up in the branches of the Douglas fir trees. Some animals eat the needles, and others eat the seeds from cones like me. I'm a buffet in the sky. Squirrels peel off the scales and remove the seeds. Bon appetit." Well, let's keep on heading up the trail and see what else we find. Hey guys, I think he sees us, so I'm gonna stay kind of hidden. But I found that trail marker a few feet back and it said, "Hey, I'm a red fox. You can call me Old Red. I am a very adaptable animal, which allows me to live worldwide in all kinds of habitats, such as grasslands like this. My adaptability also comes in handy at mealtime, because I can eat voles, mice, rabbits, birds, fish, frogs, and even fruit, vegetables, and worms. I love to play and will even steal balls from backyards and golf courses. Want to play fetch?" Well, we made it back to camp, and thank you so much for going on my nature trail with me today. And now it's your turn. Where will you take your classmates, family members, and me on your nature trail? What kinds of plants and animals and landforms would you like to share with us? I can't wait to find out. Happy camping!